Machita namahotman Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu itshintshe istrategy sayo ingene compete ngayo. Orlando Pirates kufuneke ipasop. Pirates needs to pass up bafethu. Sundowns, apha kule video I'm going to explain what happened last season. The way they lost the CAF Champions League has changed strategy esintsha, and why Ukado also has stayed in the job because of this new strategy. Sundowns itshintshe indlela nyathela ngayo ngoku. Pirates funeke respond na ngestrategy sayo, ngeresponse yayo. I'm talking about the league race up. Sundowns last season, what happened at Sundowns last season and why they're changing, and why this also is a good thing for South African football. The players Sundowns, the youngsters Sundowns. Last season Sundowns Ukhadoso wafika mos ngoDecember, zange qala season, wafika ngoDecember Ukhadoso. And that time Ukhadoso afikayo, uManqoba Mnqethi was rotating, why rotate his squad zakhe ba idlala ngeplayers ngadlala ngezquad eziyi2. And no Rolani before that wayenza lo way. Ukhadoso wafika, but Ukhadoso lewe akajayiveli yena le ngoma. Yena akazu rotate. Yena waxozomela into yakhe. Sundowns yadlala i-league yawina, okay, yawina i-Battle Premiership. CAF Champions League yatyhiwe Sundowns i-final Pyramids FC. Then isuka up Sundowns yakhe i-Club World Cup. Pirates, Sundowns, in hindsight, they discovered, but no man. I mean, I think now I agree. They lost. Sundowns are better than, they're more experienced, more talent than Pyramids FC as Egypt. They're winning Champions League. But Sundowns, how much it actually fatigue, which you was like English, by fatigue, ugudinwa, apeli millions amachita. And if fatigue, I go see millions and cry, but corona sen clock, sen runway, na emotionally, cause njani nge emotions nangengqondo. I-pressure, like ucinga la way ucinga no planner la way iyadinisa, and wena wedinisayo more than millions. Like mental fatigue, emotional fatigue, zizona worse compared to physical. So Sundowns and is away, and babecinga nocinga nge World Cup futhi ngapha ikusetshwa ngasakhala World Cup, so dlala ngeBorussia Dortmund. The whole world is going to be watching. That time they have a CAF Champions League to play. Their minds and their emotions and their legs, physicality were tired. But also why forced by Choma, as the rest of the players, and doesn't believe in the rotation. Sundowns, Yaboya, Club World Cup. Players Sundowns, Zabiko Grand Bafetu, Zinapil, as a performer grand. The way costing Bafana fan, Bafetu, AFCON, Bafana fan. Omutao, Umukwena, much the kind of best football yabo. No more Tiba. Again is when Kobetangazo. So the way is our benefit of being fan strategy Sundowns siege. All this is in Gok Sundowns, I like Ren. Ukado also still some way yag. Sundowns, CAF Champions League. First game, not yet draw. But win the first game. But I like kila way no way. Preliminary rounds napana ish babela qazisa baza group stage first game okay bayitya St Elo Pop. Second game the Roshan MC Alger the way I find Sundowns league Sundowns you lose I think game 1 that Rosh game 3 Ukatoso uba under pressure fit abe isitha ajo ngikatoso yahamba ngo Sundowns yabane crunch meetings wathini. After I break AFCON, he's about to change Sundowns. First game, he's so two kanjani. Katoso changes azenzileyo. Hey. Ikali players ngaka. Naba Jaden Adams, hey, starting lineup. Mkhulise starting lineup. Like to see yafika nayo. Hey, Sundowns tumapi up. Ikemilane layo. Bakali Champions League. Kakala like the serious, the big name Sundowns. Okay, sure. Second game last night, Battle Premiership. Yo, can changes. Okay, le ngoku Katoso ichinchile ngoku. sitha iyanyanzelwa okanye nayo ibonile isense umjidi ba no man ngaforced man rotate apha man rotate apha wenza lo way umjida Sundowns ithole results ngoku Sundowns zoba dangerous play Sundowns zoba fresh ngoku especially kasekufika uMarch no April no May Pirates afunekange believe too much okanye icinge too much about advantage yayo la mentality yePirates bayajonga Sundowns compete CAF Champions League thina psychologically Pirates afuneka ithathe false psychological advantage ba okay Sundowns compete Champions League because Sundowns ngoku players aba fresh ngoku Pirates nayo funeka avoid udlalisa players ezi1 all the time ngoba say Pirates if nayo I rotate squad as keep a fresh squad izawuthi kufika isikhathi xa sisukile indaba March April May ikale big games big pressure Pirates inganqaphi players ayo so nayo uwathi wenza already lo yiwathi futhi mari se funeka ibambe up angayiphunculi ba qhubekeke sewuzikhipha fresh players yakho wathi rotation yakho ibamba up ngoba iSundowns nayo ibambe le way yabo. So as much as abantu kule video bayise Pirates nike pasop Pirates ibise ready akade but say the word is say what ibambe up continue ungayiphuncula lapho ngoba iSundowns ibambe strategy esitsha ngoba Sundowns kusezoba dangerous bafethu iwe grenga leyo bayisejonga Sundowns from a neutral perspective and from a football loving perspective South African football ne growth Sundowns ngokuze kuhlalisa players ezine talent stand ne light ngoku young players zizodlala simone nangu Sibiya nokuhlwano naye besedlala already so izo benefit kanjalo say South African football but okay Sundowns more players are going to play including young players imafana bafana izoba grand ngoba kuse omukwena omodiba no Mudau abazodlala too much football by the time we World Cup in AFCON next year so yeah Pirates gadani Sundowns okanye adaptani if ufuna win league Sundowns igrand lewenzekayo ngicela noma mfethu sidinga zona comments ngicela nithethe apha comments bafethu okanye nje support channel shaye like ngicela noma mfethu Cardoso Sundowns rotation policy entsha Orlando Pirates irespond grand and should be right kanye yiphi indlela best way on Pirates should respond to this new strategy Sundowns ngicela comments bafethu mojo